Lend me your ears for just a moment. I've got a word of advice for you. I have made a personal record on every single primary lift this week, on my bench press, on my squats, on my deadlift, and on my overhead press. You want to know the secret to that success? Biohacking. And not biohacking the body. It's not from cutting dairy. It's not from trying carnivore. It's not from exogenous ketones. It's not even from keto. It's from biohacking the mind. So many people are looking for shortcuts, easy way outs. They want the easiest way to get the results they want. They want the next big thing to help them reach that goal. And I get it. I'm right there with you. I can dig into biohacking with the best of them. I love that stuff. But before you can biohack the body, you have to biohack the mind. My success this week can be attributed 100% to my mental shift at the beginning of this year. I've decided and made a commitment that there's not going to be anything left on the table ever. You know, you hear about failure. There's a negative connotation around failure. You hear failure is not an option. You're right, failure is not an option. It's a guarantee. I'm going to failure on everything. You know, if there's anything left in the tank, I have failed. That is not a reality I want to see pass. Everything I do this year is going to be done to failure. There's a weird shift that occurs in your mind that transfers into your body when you know you're going to go all out on something. And that can be illustrated perfectly in the weight room. When I'm doing squats, if I know that I'm going to fail at that weight, then I'm going to go until that failure becomes apparent. But if you hold back just a little bit so that you don't dump the weight, so you don't go to failure, that little bit is what's holding you back from progress in your lifts, in your physique, in your life. Go to failure. Biohack your mind before you try and biohack your body. You know, I see so many people spending hundreds of dollars a month for the next big supplement, the next. Forget about the next. What you need is right there in front of you, and it's free. Change the way you think, and then you'll change the way you do. That's all I gotta say about that in Rant.